Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to transform myself into a hot girl. First thing is to put circle lenses. Those circle lenses is from Iris Beauty. Iris Beauty is a beauty enhancer specialist. They have high quality colored lenses. On the website, it says that those lenses are for eye corrections and for cosmetics. Those are FDA approved quality lenses, valid for daily wear during 6 months. Those are super soft and extremely comfortable. I don't feel like I'm wearing something. All Iris Beauty products are made in US, so in this video I'll also use their eyeliner and eyebrow pencil. If you're interested, the coupon code is YouMaking45, which will give you 15% off. Let's start the transformation.